Here, Fernando Domecq, CEO and founder of Citec. In this video, I'm just going to try to show you everything that can be done with our technology. First, I'd like to say that everything that you're going to see in this video is available through APIs, and these experiences can be integrated into third-party platforms in a really seamless way in a matter of 1 to 2 weeks. So first, let's start by creating a well-diversified portfolios of ETFs. You can do that with the asset allocation module. Here, we're going to be defining that we want to invest $100,000, and you can apply different strategies like the Ray Dalio portfolio, like the Warren Buffett portfolio, and you can follow different professional wealth managers and hedge fund managers strategies and just customize them if you want. So let's say that I don't want to be so much exposed to commodities. I'm going to be reducing that, but I do want to be exposed to emerging market, right? So that's something that you can do here. We just do that. We want a 5.5%. And with that, we are reaching the 100% of the portfolio. We run the analysis. And here is just going to suggest what ETFs can I use to implement that strategy. So with this, I will have a super solid starting position. I have an analysis of what is the expected return, what is the risk, what is the Sharpe ratio of this portfolio, what is the asset class composition, what is the value at risk of this portfolio, what is the correlation matrix of the different assets, and also I have an access to a back test that goes back more than 15 years just to see how this portfolio would have performed over the past. I can even look at the drawdown, so I can see, that in the subprime crisis in 2008, 2009, the market went down 55%, while my portfolio went down 15%, right? So have an idea of how this portfolio helped me have a more diversified position to the market. So then I can say, I want to apply this strategy, but maybe US stocks is something that I want to build my own portfolio of US stocks versus buying an ETF. So I can delete that, then send all these positions to the trader. And from here, I can go with one click execute, and I'll be buying all these stocks with just one click. So that's how easy it is to implement a well-diversified portfolio of ETFs. So that's first functionality. Second, we can go to the portfolio builder. The portfolio builder, it's available for stocks, for ETFs, and for crypto. And it's basically using AI optimizations to help me build a well-diversified, solid position to the market, but at the same time allowing me to customize to the core. So let's say that I want to invest $30,000 here, and I want to be invested in different kind of universe. I can be investing in the S&P 500, Russell 1000, Russell 3000, whatever it is, and I can customize that universe. By the way, we are adding more than 300 different thematics, so you can also create your own ETF. It's sort of the experience we're creating here. So you can go to customize and say, what, I want to be invested in the S&P 500, but there's certain sectors I don't want to be invested in. Let's say real estate and utilities is something that I don't believe, or because I'm already invested in those sectors, I don't want to have more exposure to that. I can apply smart beta filters. Let's say I want to be invested into high dividend yield portfolios. So now the dividend yield has gone up to 3.73. I can include and exclude stocks. Let's say that, I'm an executive at Meta and I want to be investing in the entire market, but not having exposure to Meta. We are adding, and this is happening in the next 2 weeks, ESG filters. So people are going to be able to screen and build their universe with the ESG factors that matter to them. And that's extremely relevant. And this, as I was saying, all these solutions are available for retail users as well as for wealth managers, and even for asset managers that they want this solution to help them or assist them in the process of building their portfolios. So now we're going to reset these filters. We're going to leave maximum freedom for the model, and we're going to be doing a direct indexing. You have other optimization parameters here at the bottom, like the number of stocks we're going to be using for this. Let's say we're going to be doing this with a portfolio between 1 and 60 stocks, and you have max and minimum weight. We are adding also some other optimization parameters, like what is the carbon consumption, or the carbon emissions of the portfolio, so we can optimize also based on that, while at the same time creating a portfolio that replicates an index, right? So for this, we're running the optimization. What is truly unique about this, we're doing this real time. In a matter of 3 seconds, we are executing more than 5,000 Monte Carlo scenarios and coming up with this super solid portfolio of 60 stocks that is replicating an index. But it's not an exercise of faith. That's why we have put a whole detailed analysis so people understand where the money is going, so they can see from a sector composition how aligned this is with the index. What is the volatility of my portfolio really aligned with the index? What is my beta? I have a beta of 1. What is the segment matrix? So I'm investing mainly in large cap, heavily weighted towards growth, because that's the composition of the S&P 500. I can see the tracking error distribution. I have risk metrics, where I have the value at risk calculation, the concentration analysis, and I can see on a backtest that this portfolio is actually following 1-to-1 the performance of the index on a daily basis. So it's extremely solid position to replicate an index. You can go back and forth and launch different optimizations. It can be direct indexing, or you can also be doing mean volatility, or whatever objective or optimization you want to run. With this, you can send the positions to the trader, and now what it's doing is basically we're using another algo that is estimating the number of stocks you should be buying to try to replicate the theoretical weights that you have defined with the portfolio builder. With this, we will have all the ETFs that we were selected, plus the rest of the portfolio that replicates the S&P 500. And we invest in the first objective that I was investing $100,000. If we like it, again, we click execute trades. We would be, when the market is open, we would be investing in all these positions with just one click. That's the amazing experience that we're building. In addition to that, you can optimize portfolios that you already have. So you can start with existing portfolios. Let's say I'm going to be uploading the portfolio that I have here. So let's go to, maybe I'm going to be selecting, I think I had a Berkshire position, so we can analyze a portfolio that has been created by a professional. Well, my portfolio template, this one. Here it is. So this is Warren Buffett's portfolio or current positions. Voila. Can remove if there's any company that we are not covering, and I can go and launch an analysis on this portfolio and see that we are invested in 48 stocks, right? I can go and see that my tracking error is 7.95, so it's sort of correlated. I see that I have a huge exposure to Apple. I can see the whole analysis. I can see in a back test how this portfolio had performed over the last 6 months, 1 year, or 3 years. The current positions, right, is a back test. And with this, I can decide whether I want to rebalance this portfolio, I want to invest in it, or whatever the decision I decide to make. So that's another functionality that you have, the portfolio analysis. And here I also have the option of rebalancing a US equities portfolio. How do I rebalance? I rebalance by adding more cash. Let's say I want to add $20,000 more to this portfolio, and then I can select what amount of tax loss harvesting do I want to do. Do I want to do a 25%, 50%, 100%? You can select different alternatives, go to next. Now the stocks that are currently losing money are now selected. I can go to criteria, and now I define the objective. What do I want to do with that extra cash, right? The extra cash that I put in plus the extra cash coming from the stocks that I'm selling. I could say, you know what, I want to keep replicating the index, so let me do that. And I want to do that with between 1 and 60 stocks, whatever it is. I now run the optimization, and what it's going to give me is the list of trades that I need to make to harvest the losses. So I'll be selling all these positions. I created this portfolio yesterday. That's why, the realized losses won't be that big. And I'll be selecting all these stocks that would allow me this portfolio to replicate better the performance of the index. So I can go and see on the overview that my tracking error is still fairly controlled. I can go and see on the back test that this portfolio that I just created is again, fitting pretty well to the performance of the index. If I like it, I could click and send to a trader, and again, I'll be executing all this 60 plus 7 trades with just one click. So this, and finally, let's go to the last part that I think is extremely interesting, is the mutual fund screener, where I can go on a screen for, let's say, Morgan Stanley's funds. And in Morgan Stanley funds, I can click on analyze them. I'll be analyzing this mutual fund and see where they are invested today, and see whether it's aligned with my strategy, as well as I can see how this portfolio or this mutual fund mingles with the rest of my portfolio and see how it performs. That's something that can be done through this technology. And again, this technology is 100% available through APIs for everyone that wants to create this kind of experiences in their platform. All right, thank you so much. I hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, just feel free to reach out to info@citecsolutions.com. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.